Vale, Pep, doncs si me pots dir una dona que sigui molt important a la teva vida i que t'hagi inspirat molt.
Claramente mi mamá, creo que hizo un muy buen trabajo criándonos, me ha marcado muchísimo claramente mi vieja.
I think women are the center of the universe. I think without women, we're nothing.
Hey, tell my mother I love her. She's one of the most inspirational people in my life.
Just to pick one would be unfair to every woman. You can go all the way from my great-grandmother to my grandmother to my mother to my wife to my daughter now.
Bueno, además de mi madre, yo creo que mi tía ha superado bastantes obstáculos en su vida y es un ejemplo para mí de superación y de estar ahí todo el día.
Ma mare, a pesar de totes les dificultats que hem tingut a casa, sempre ha mirat per nosaltres i ens ha intentat ajudar.
First off, shout out to all the ladies out there, man.
I've been surrounded by a lot of beautiful women in my life that have raised me and helped me grow up to the man that I am today. So extremely grateful to them for everything they have done and they're doing for me in my life.
For me, my mom especially, she really guides me and is my North Star when I'm going through tribulations. She's one of the reasons I keep doing what I do every day. I love my mother, I cherish my mother, my sisters also, but my mother for sure. I would say my aunties, I have so many aunties, I can't name them all, but all my aunties, they really just help me out and just keep me happy. And
Women are the most important things, you know. I have a wife, and for me, she's my word. And if there was no woman, you and me would not be here.